I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have an Apple ID with two-factor authentication turned on and your device is updated. Open the Wallet app and tap the Apple Cash Card Setup prompt to start. This is where most of the verification happens. You'll be asked for personal details for identity verification, so have your billing address and a debit card available. Once done, you'll authorize terms and conditions and proceed to the identity check step before the account is created. Next, step through identity verification. Enter your legal name, social security last 4 digits, and current address. This prevents limits and enables transfers. After identity, add a debit card or bank account. The system may do an instant authorization or send micro deposits to confirm ownership. Make sure you accept the Apple Cash terms and enable Apple Cash in messages so you can send and receive funds. Once funding is linked, set your preferred funding source for payments and turn on automatic acceptance of payments if you want instant deposits. To finish, confirm the Apple Cash account activation in Wallet and review your available balance and transaction history. Test by sending a small amount through messages. This verifies both sending and receiving flows. Make sure you understand your daily and monthly limits and set security like Face ID for payments. If something goes wrong, common cause is mismatched name or address. Recheck your Apple ID details and the debit card info, then retry verification. If verification still fails, contact Apple support with error details to resolve identity or funding issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.